Hello, it's John Piper with the Thursday video, and it's Thursday the 7th of February. I'm starting with Bitcoin again this morning. Basically we have the triangle, we have a very small penetration on the upside, slightly bigger penetration on the downside, and we're going sideways again, so really no change of opinion here. Most likely the outcome, I think, probably is a breakdown to around 2,500. Could go lower, but I think I would expect some decent buying to come in below 3,000. So that may be the catalyst to get this thing moving, in fact. The other coin I've mentioned in past videos has been KBC, Carrot Bank coin. This does still offer incredible risk reward. You can buy it for around, it's to about 2.6 cents at the moment. The guarantee, the Carrot Bank guarantee, is in place at around 43 cents, so about 17x in 5 months' time. Obviously there is risk. But if you're inclined to put some money you can afford to lose into KBC, then you could see a fairly dramatic gain within a 6-month period. We do cover this quite extensively in the crypto WhatsApp room, and if anybody wants more details, then please drop me a line. Happy to oblige. As I say, it's a fairly odd situation, but it's been well researched by myself and some colleagues, and it's certainly something that I think you ought to be aware of. Whether you actually want to do it's up to you, but 17x in 5 months is fairly appealing. All right, looking at the DAX, I'm still counting 5 O's up to this peak here around 11.3, with an A, an irregular B, and now a C coming in perhaps. That does show some strength. If that is the ABC, i.e. the B makes a new high, that's a sign of strength. But more downside due, I think, with this correction that is now starting up. All right, similar on the Dow. I did put this 5th wave in on Tuesday, and we're now falling back. So this could become a bigger sell-off, I would suspect. Correction's a bit overdue here, and the correction should tell us what's going on really. If we see an obvious correction, i.e. an ABC type formation, that would be a good buying opportunity. Obviously it's more severe than that, but that would be a very different kettle of fish. Looking at FTSE, okay, I'll label this as a 1, a 2, so this will be either 3 or part of 3. It could be an ABC, of course. These are now of equivalent length. What would be the A wave and what would be the C wave. The Brexit situation is becoming quite interesting. I mean, the EU seems to be resorting to fairly desperate measures now. I understand they're now trying to sort of blackmail Ireland or kidnap Ireland almost. Even talking about invading Ireland, apparently. This seems to be a bit extreme. So it may well be that the pendulum is swinging a bit in favour of the UK at this point. Remains to be seen, of course, but that might explain why the markets are actually discounting some good news at the moment. Well, it's yet to be resolved. So I think the UK may be the surprise package at the moment. It may be the market that goes up more than others. Again, an ABC correction would be ideal. All right, gold. No change in here really. We've got the wave 5 here, which we labelled a while back. ABC declines so far. We're looking for a corrective decline. Has to be a wave 4 decline for the final wave 5 rally. The count may need to be adjusted, but that's the way I'm counting at the moment. So it may well test the 1276 area. Often a 4th wave of higher degree goes down to the wave 4 of the next lower degree, which is this level there. That would fit in quite well with the current pattern, in fact. So if that's complete, which it may not be, ABC for B wave, and then one more sell-off at just about below 1300, which is the key level, to sort of put the scares on the bulls, give the bears some heart. So that down here they might the balance may have been realigned, so the market could be ready to rally once again. Right, that's all for today. If you found it useful, back to the report on the weekend. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.